Ford's gamble, how the Model T put America on wheels. In 1908, the automobile was a rich man's toy, a noisy, unreliable status symbol that cost more than a family home. But Henry Ford had a radical, almost dangerous vision. He wanted to build a car for the great multitude. To do it, he had to bet his entire company on a single design, the Model T, and a revolutionary way of working that his competitors mocked as madness. Ford's gamble wasn't just about the car itself, it was about the process. He introduced the moving assembly line, a concept inspired by the overhead trolley systems of Chicago meatpacking plants. Suddenly, the time it took to build a chassis plummeted from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. But efficiency came with a human cost. The work was so mind-numbingly repetitive that men were quitting in droves. Faced with a collapsing workforce, Ford doubled down on his bet in 1914 with the $5 day. He doubled the average wage of his workers overnight. Wall Street called him a socialist, and rivals predicted he would go bankrupt within months. Instead, the opposite happened. By paying his workers enough to actually buy the product they were building, Ford created the very middle class that would sustain the American economy for the next century. The Model T was rugged, simple, and affordable, conquering the muddy, unpaved back roads of rural America where other cars failed. It didn't just move people. It changed the geography of the nation, leading to the birth of the suburbs, the gas station, and the modern highway system. By the time production ended in 1927, Ford had sold 15 million Tin Lizzies, and half of all the cars in the entire world were Fords. What started as a risky bet on a basic black car became the engine of the American dream, proving that true success comes not from catering to the elite, but from empowering the everyman. This was the moment America stopped walking and started driving toward a future of limitless mobility.